guys, it's Charles here, and today we're going to be looking at my lead gen secret review and what I think of it. But first, let's roll the intro. So here we are, and before we get started, I've actually had quite a few people message me now on Facebook saying, how do I make some money, what do I do, whatever. So one of the things that you can actually use, which is a really good process into making money online, is email marketing. It's actually one of the first things that I ever looked at back in 2007, 8, 9, as creating a list and then providing products for your list and sending them out to people. And I was getting quite a good strike rate, I'd guess, in sales on a relatively small list in the gambling niche back then. So this is a product in which you can get 100 new fresh leads every single day sent to you. Now the guy that does this, he's called Jim Harmon, and he has created a system in which you can receive 100 leads per day. So he's just going through here about his AdWords, and if you keep coming down, he talks about a funnel in which you've got your leads, prospects, customers, and that's exactly what I've just said there about having a big list of leads to email, and then you put your products out there and you're gonna get sales, especially if that's in your niche. So as here, 100 leads, 1 sale, he's working on the 1% rule. So very simply, every single day you're going to receive, and this is the front, every single day you're going to receive 100 new leads, which you can email through the email system inside the product, which we're going to get into. Now, if we go down a little bit further at the bottom, so for $1 a day, you're going to receive 100 leads. But if you can actually refer someone to the program, you're going to receive 200 leads per day. But front end of the screen, so I've had the product now for 2 months, and as you can see, I received my bonus leads. I've had a couple of sales. You can see here I've had a couple of people, but what we also have in here, which I think is very good, is you can see all your leads. So if we click that, click download leads, we open it up, and this is one of the things that's very good, is you can easily see all the leads that you get every single day. And again, we'll go into this in a little bit more detail down the line. Okay, so as you can see, I received 200 leads a day because I referred someone. The actual cost of the system is $30 every month, and you also pay a $30 upfront fee as well. So it's $60 in total to sign up today, which I think is well worth it. But they also do a master email swipes. I actually haven't paid for this, okay? But when you first sign up, it's $30, which is a one-time only offer. You're not going to get this offer again, and as you can see, if I was to do it, it would cost me $60. Now, all this is essentially, let's just go back, is essentially a set of email swipes which you can use to send off, which he believes are better. Now, in the affiliates, which we're going to get into, you get all these emails which you can send off. So very simply, and we're gonna do this, and there's a bonus at the end, is we are going to look at the email swipes, which we can use, and then I'm going to show you how we can email someone. So if you refer someone into your first level, so say you directly refer someone, you're going to receive $5 every single month. And then if they refer someone, you're also going to receive. So you're going to receive $4 every month. And it's all explained here, and so on and so on and so on. And this is shown in the downline of how many upgraded members you have. So you could have two. You could have someone here that gets a load of people, and that keeps going and going and going. And then this is going to be shown up here in the commissions earned. So that's one of the things you can do. So as I said here, there's a load of affiliate emails you can send to people. And today we're going to email using affiliate number 5. So all I would simply do, import this. So this goes into here. Select 9,000 of 10. This is a small little glitch. I have sent an email to My Lead Gen Secret support, and they're going to adjust this so I can email all 10,400. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go name fix, copy that, paste that in. And we're also going to do this here. And then what I'm going to do here down the bottom is I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to go click here. I'm going to go like that. And if I do this, press that button there, the hyperlink, type in this, so it's got my code. So as we can see, it's a very simple email. I'm going to click perfect timing just so we can now predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. In a nutshell, it's a time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on historical activity. So this is another brilliant tool which they have got, which allows you to target people when they believe they're going to open the email. So let's have a quick preview. Okay, so everything looks absolutely fine. And then it's as simple as clicking send email. So this email is going to be sent to 9,000 people. So if we go back onto the home page, we can see here how many people have opened each email, depending on how many leads we've got. And it also shows how many times people have clicked on the link. And you can see here that's the click-through rate, and the open rate is how many percentage out of how many emails you sent it to. So all very self-explanatory. Now, going on to the bonus with signing up through the link in the description is I am part of a group on Facebook where we partake in a lead swap every single Friday. So if we just get onto the main page here on Facebook, the guy called Reed Florence, 100k leads. I should be excited. Keep on going. 227k validated leads just yesterday, heading to those who participate. So you can participate every single week, and you're going to get more and more leads. Now this is a closed group which you'd be invited into, and I can set you up into once you have signed up below. Now what you're able to do then is you're able to use the videos here and create your own. Down at the bottom it should be. This video here is going to show you how to set up your own email software so you can email all these people. This is, as you can see, this is completely different using MailWiz, but you can set this up. It's about $20 altogether, and you can email people every single day from the list, so you're actually going to generate more sales. Now, not only can you use the My Lead Gen Secret to promote the software, You can promote products on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc. And people are getting results selling products on here through the My Lead Gen system, which is brilliant because it allows you to create extra revenue streams. Now, if we go back onto here and we go back over here, in fact, let's click photos. And as we can see, look at some of the successes people have been getting. Now, what actually happens is if you achieve, we click onto this and go affiliates, if you achieve five new confirmed members in a 7-day period, you are going to receive $100 bonus. So this is going to be shown in right there. This person has managed to get 5 new people in 7 days, and they're getting $100 bonus. And the brilliant thing about that is they're creating all this passive income, passive residual income. Let's click on some more. Look, another person's getting sales from the My Lead Gen system. This guy Rob Thor's been around for a long time, and I think he gets something like $15,000 a month from it. So it's, again, a very powerful system. This person's getting 1,067 monthly recurring income. And these are just real results which are taking place every single day. Let's just have a look here at some more. So this is someone getting a subscription onto Warrior Plus, getting sales. Let's have a look even further down. As we can see here, more sales. That one-time offer is the master swipes generating sales. Here we go. Want to know how? It's as simple as that. All these people in this group are wanting you to succeed using the product. So this person did Facebook Lives every day, and look how many sales they've made. It is possible. So let's just have a look at this one. Again, more sales, and it is all very, very simple. So what I'll do is when you sign up below, drop me a message on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you can, and I will get you added to this group, and you'll be able to receive 200,000 emails. Like, what is that for per your it's cost you $60, and you're getting a 200,000 email list in which you can email and make money. I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, people spend years trying to create a list of 1,000, and you've got the opportunity here to get 200,000 plus emails. So just a bit of a review overall. So it's going to cost you $60 to sign up. You're going to come onto this home page. As we can see, I've got this here, the setup here. You're going to either have some master email swipes. You've got your mailing system, which is here. And it shows you can only email once every 23 hours. We've got our statistics, which will show us open rates, etc. Some of my perfect timings, yes and no, experimenting, opens, clicks. We've got our affiliates and how we can, you could literally open these up, send each email. I think there's 9 or 10 emails, and just send them on. There's some text ads here, some banner ads, etc, etc. It is all fully set up for you to go away and make some money today. And then all you do is you drop me an email saying, I've just signed up, get me added to the group, and I will get you added to the group. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you on it. Alright, bye now.